Hello everyone, my name is Benedicta. Welcome back to this channel again, y'all. Today I'm going to show you how to do this hair mask, specifically using aloe vera and avocados, how I achieved this look. And I'm going to show you how soft this hair became. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all at the end of the video. First, I have my aloe vera, my coconut oil, avocado, honey, banana, and my conditioner. I'll combine all of them and blend it. Let's see how this turns out.
Happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Look at how this looks, y'all. Like, this looks so creamy and juicy. You even want to eat this. Like, let's get into it. Let's get into the softness. Let's get into everything. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply it to my hair.
I can save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes, and I'm just pointless.
In this application step, you section your hair into small chunks and you put the treatment through your hair. Make sure it goes throughout your scalp and throughout the ends of your hair. Slide your fingers through your hair to make it softer. If you have a detangling comb, use it so that you can make it even more detangled, as you want to have a detangled hair by the time you're done with your hair wash. This is how my hair looks after I put the protein treatment in my hair. It looks so soft and elongated. This is how my hair would look if I stretch it, and it kind of gives you a gist of how your hair is growing. And now I'm going to put in the bonnet and wait for 20 to 30 minutes until I take it off. After the timer is over, you want to go ahead and wash your hair. For now, let's just take a moment of how soft my hair looks even through the screen. Like, I wish you guys were there to touch the hair. Like, you'd be so surprised, and that's why it's important to use DIY protein hair masks, because they're really helpful in protecting your hair and keeping the moisture in it so that it retain length and you grow your hair. This is how my hair came out after I put the hair mask in my hair. It's very soft and very, very fluffy. I don't know if that's the right word, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye.